This whole conversation could be like really dodgy.
You're a weirdo.
Say hello to Jazz and Anna.
Hello, Jazz and Anna.
With your eyes closed, you weirdo.
Hello, Jazz and Anna.
Is that not how I meant to say it? Henry, Jasper and Ben.
And Henry, Jasper and Ben.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah,
Bye then.
Yeah.
Bye then.
Joe, say something nice to Jazz and Anna.
We miss them a lot.
Come on.
I hate it. It's terrible, isn't it?
Joe has just cooked an absolutely amazing Sunday lunch,
Yeah,
which of course isn't
just
as good
whenever
as
you get to
Anna's
the
Sunday
baby
lunch,
side,
but almost there.
So,
So
Yes.
we're here.
We thought you'd just like to see what we actually look like. I'm going to kiss
I'm
my
gonna-
dad.
I'm gonna
show
pan
us
round.
together.
So just give them a call.
Pan round. Oh, what a lovely.
And he was watching the football at the same
Nice
time.
bit of fun.
And
Right.
Mike is paying a lot of attention, and so is Mark.
Coffee, honey.